Good day, guys. Welcome. Now, let's take a look at this NASDAQ 100, by the way. So, first of all, we will do a quick analysis. So, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do so and let's get started. Now, let's take a look at this movement. First of all, we have to zoom it out. What is this movement? It says we are on a bearish move, right? Our NASDAQ 100 is on a bearish move. Now, take a look at this movement that was made. We saw this price came to this level and a pullback happened at this level, right? So we now had a breakout of this level, right? So this is one of the reasons why we highlighted this level, because the price gave us a pullback to test this level. So one of the reasons why I highlighted this level. So you will know that how we predicted this move, that this price kind of went bullish, it came to this level. After this level, what do we expect next? Another bearish move. So this is exactly what we're having. Day before yesterday, we actually opened and closed bearish, right? Yesterday we actually opened and closed bearish. Now today we are on a bearish move. So where do you think this price will be moving? I still believe we still have some bearish moves to be made. At least let's try and take out this candlestick wick here. So this is what I'll be expecting or watching out for. Reason is that, first of all, this is the moving average. The 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of beats. Once the price is below our 10 period moving average, we have to look to short it, right? So this is our price, which is below our 10 period moving average. So we have to short it. That will now take us to the 4-hour time frame and to place this trade, right. We clearly can see what does this 4-hour time frame says. This is a bearish move. We want to place the trade on the 4-hour time frame. Notice it. But the price is also below 10 period moving average and it is giving us a bearish move. So it is a confirmation we have to short it. So this is a move here. A pullback happened that failed to break this previous let's say highs here, previous level here. Then another new lower lows was made, right, which broke this previous lower lows a little bit though. Then we saw a pullback, another bearish move was made, and now you can see that this candlestick wick here kind of giving us like a pullback. Price rose up to this level. Now what do we expect now? So we are expecting a bearish move. So this is the London section, right, and we will continue to go bearish. So it depends on where you are watching it or how early you are watching. So if you are watching it late and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button so you get daily updates and quick updates on this our channel. So where do you see this price will be moving out? So we would want to go to a level where price has reacted to multiple times. We saw price came to this level, it's reacted before going massively up, right? We will drag it to this down level again. We saw that price has come to this level, it rose up massively, right? We saw also price is now at this level. So we would want to see price come down to this same level again, where we just talked about. If you notice on the daily time frame, I said that we would want to see this price drop to this candlestick wick here, right? So this is the 4-hour time frame. What does this say? So we are still on a bearish move and we would want to sell it to around this price, come to this our candlestick wick. So we still have about 1.60%. That is about 177 1775 basis points to be made. So we still have good amount of drop that would be made on our NASDAQ 100. So if you are watching it early, short it, try and take out this candlestick wick here on this NASDAQ 100 before price might give us a pullback. Who knows? Maybe price can start rallying. Maybe price can start rallying up, or you can kind of get like a pullback and continue to go bearish. But first of all, before we actually assume any such movements like that, we would want to actually short it down to this level, this candlestick wick here. So 4-hour time frame still bearish and it is still below moving average. And one hour time frame also still same movements, right? So this is a bearish move, kind of like a little pullback. And now this is best time to actually enter and short this trade. Honestly, NASDAQ 100 on a bearish move.